Bitcoin came down to the support right here of the range. Right now we are seeing a nice engulfing candle, and in today's video I'm going to show you why I think Bitcoin is going to see or could be seeing a nice bounce from here, and why eventually Bitcoin is going to see a nice breakout, and in which direction I think that breakout is going to be. Guys, all about that in today's video. Next to having a look at Bitcoin, we are also going to have a look at Chainlink, which just had a nice breakout right here. I want to have a chat about that as well. So yeah guys, let's dive straight into it. Before we are zooming in on the Bitcoin price action though, I want to ask a question to every single one of you. Right now at the moment, I'm working on a trading dashboard. I want to create a website for traders where they can go to, where they can see all the information that they need to predict the Bitcoin price in the short-term time frame. So that could be, for example, a combination of some on-chain statistics, funding rates, and so on, which you can all see in one dashboard, which can help you as a trader. But now I need your help, guys. I've created a form, and I leave the link to the form down below in the description. And in this form, I only ask you guys one question, and that is, what is the most important metric or indicator that you are using for predicting the Bitcoin price? It can be, for example, the funding rates, can be the Bitcoin balance on exchanges, can be the relative strength index. Please, if everybody or some of you that are active traders want to share this with me, use the form down below, and please let me know which metric or indicator is the most important indicator for you to predict the Bitcoin price in shorter term time frame. So which metric you give the most trust to, basically, for your analysis. I would highly appreciate that, guys. And guys, that product will be for free, that website will be for free. So if you provide me with information, you help getting a product which you can use yourself as well. Then guys, when we have a look at Bitcoin right here on the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin so far is nicely holding the support, the green support right here. We are not yet seeing a bigger move to the downside, and we are seeing a nice divergence in the relative strength index. The relative strength index is trending up. That is a bullish sign, showing us that the daily time frame is looking, as long as we can hold that uptrend in the relative strength index, we could be seeing a nice momentum shift right here, where bullish momentum is going to enter Bitcoin. Then guys, if we were to dive to the shorter term time frame, let's dive into the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you what we are seeing right there. Bitcoin dipped into the support range that we are looking at already for some time, which is ending at 45,600 approximately. We got a dip, and when we got the dip, we are seeing a nice bounce so far, a nice reaction in the price, and we are also seeing these divergences coming along on the momentum indicators, which is another indicator showing me that I think most likely we will be seeing a bounce right here, at least in the short-term time frame. Bitcoin's price most likely will trend up. But that doesn't mean that right now there's already that clear direction that we have been talking about, or that bigger volatility we also have been talking about, because we are still trading within this range where the support is right here at 45,600 and the resistance is at 48,000 US dollars. So as long Bitcoin remains in this pattern, I expect Bitcoin to continue to trade between these two levels. So right now, after touching support, the chances are of course more likely to go towards the resistance, and so on, to continue and follow the same structure that we have been in over the past couple of days. And of course, the moment that we are seeing a change in the structure, when we are seeing a breakout, either a break of the support of 45,600, we will most likely get a bigger move to the downside, which could be to the next level, slightly below 44,000 US dollars, 43,700. That's going to be the next support. If Bitcoin is going to reach these levels, I personally think it is a awesome buying opportunity. I think right now the chances are more likely that we are going to see Bitcoin bouncing from here, as there are a lot of different signals indicating some bullishness for Bitcoin, and one of those signals are the funding rates. Other signals are bullish divergences that we can right now see on multiple time frames. So guys, that is what I'm watching right here, but yeah, we really want to have a confirmation to see a certain scenario playing out. So we really want to see Bitcoin break 48k to get a nice rally, potential rally, or for the ones that are waiting for a further dump, you want to wait until Bitcoin breaks 45.6k. Then guys, let's have a dive into a different chart. Let's have a look at Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative, because we have seen a nice breakout. Chainlink had quite a big rally against Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily time frame right here. We have a breakout. We have a falling wedge formation that we have been forming right here. We had our buy entries right here between 4,000 and 4,300 Satoshis. Right now, that is up approximately 26%, so that is actually quite nice. The target of this formation is the top of the wedge right here, which would be at 6,600 Satoshis approximately. And as you can see, that would also align roughly with the resistance of this bigger formation, and we want to be careful right here at the resistance. You don't want to long Chainlink at resistance, because there's still a possibility that we are going to see Chainlink rolling over and doing something like this. So we want to see a reaction first when Chainlink is reaching the resistance. Does it come along with bearish divergences? How is the market looking when we are seeing that event? But yeah, that is going to be the target. So that could be still another move up of approximately 20% towards the resistance. And of course, the further in time we would see this move, the lower this level could be, because this is a declining resistance. So guys, Chainlink actually doing quite well right here. It's nice to see one of the altcoins right now rallying, because altcoins rallying means that investors are taking more risks, right? Which eventually is also good, or actually bullish, for the price of Bitcoin, due to the fact that there is more confidence in the markets. This is just a sign of that confidence is entering the markets. Then guys, I quickly want to mention this chart as well. I've been mentioning in my previous videos the US government 10-year yield chart, and what we can see right here in this chart is that over the past historical price action, there has been a very clear correlation between this chart and the Bitcoin price. And why there is a clear correlation is not that clear to say with a lot of confidence, but we are seeing a clear correlation. Right here we can see that the US government bond yield is going up, and eventually the Bitcoin price is going up as well. They're topping out at approximately the same time, and we are seeing both charts coming down. They're almost bottoming out at the same time. Right here, Bitcoin was basically the front runner of the yields. But right now, what we are seeing is quite interesting, is that the yields, they are going up right here. They had a nice breakout, and they continue to look bullish, while Bitcoin is just hovering right here, potentially forming a bottoming structure. So guys, this is actually quite bullish. So for example, right here we have seen as well the yields front running Bitcoin. First the yield started with a rally, afterwards Bitcoin followed. Like I said, in this example we actually see the other way around. Bitcoin started, the yields follow. And guys, this is a bullish sign, of course, because when a correlated asset is showing strength, it increases the likelihood, of course, if the correlation still exists, that Bitcoin is eventually, or the correlated asset is going to follow that same path. So this is another reason why I think Bitcoin is looking more bullish than most people think right now, and you should be careful if you are very, very bearish on Bitcoin. Then guys, Bybit just landed 15 brand new trading pairs, and if we go down right here, we can find all the trading pairs. On the derivatives, they added ARUSDT, an altcoin, but on the spot market, they've added a lot of trading pairs, a lot of interesting ones. We got Theta, we got Digibyte, we got Solana against Bitcoin, we got Algo BTC, and we even got XRP against USDC, because that's also what Bybit right now is offering. You can trade crypto in US dollar Tether, but you can also trade in USDC, which is awesome if you want to diversify in stable coins when taking profits during this bull market. So yeah, I think Bybit right now is definitely one of the fastest growing exchanges. They're adding new trading pairs almost every week right here, and it's very nice to see that they, next to offering US dollar Tether, also offering different stable coins, because this is something we all want, right, during this bull market. If you want to take profits or if you want to hedge into stable coins, you don't want to choose basically one stable coin. You want to diversify in different stable coins. And I think USDC and USDT is definitely a great way to diversify when taking profits. Then guys, on Bybit right now, you can also stake your cryptocurrency. They have a BuyFi center, and they have like different products that they have. They have like dual asset mining, DeFi mining, and flexible staking. Depending on the product, there is a certain APY and a certain risk involved. But right now, you can actually get a very high yield on dual asset mining. And if you click right here, you can see that that yield is sometimes going up to 300% APY. Do take in mind that this is slightly different than flexible staking or DeFi mining, but if you are interested in passive income, then it's also possible to stake or to use some products that Bybit is offering right here in the BuyFi center. If you are interested in joining Bybit, I have my affiliate link down below. If you sign up using my specific affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus and you will get a 10% discount on your trading fees. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you all enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. For all the active traders out there, I would highly appreciate it if you would fill in the form down below in the description. You don't need to give me your name. You don't need to fill in any email address. You just need to let me know which metric or indicator is the most important indicator for you, which you would like to see in an online trading dashboard. So yeah, please let me know, guys, and I can continue work. If there are any full stack developers following this channel, you can always send me an email at theblockchaintoday@gmail.com. We can always have a call and talk about certain things. But okay guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed it. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.